approximately $185 billion. That's how much CPG, or consumer packaged goods companies, are planning to lower costs through optimization with emerging technology. I'm Andy Farrell with AWS, and in this video, we're going to show you how these organizations are innovating and optimizing many of their processes through IoT platforms and services. IoT technology is emerging at an enormous rate to help these organizations learn more, acquire dynamic information, and make instant decisions to optimize both distribution and production processes. But what are the issues helping to accelerate the requirements for such innovation? Let's look a bit closer at the CPG market. The CPG industry may have 30,000 new products and brands launched this year, impacting market share for many organizations. Many of today's consumers are prioritizing convenience and availability over brand loyalty, with roughly 45% of U.S. consumers switching brands or retailers due to product scarcity. To handle future disruptions, CPG firms are building more efficient supply chains by optimizing every element of the process, from forecasting to planning to distribution. With prices of groceries and additional items increasing dramatically, it's important to note that 54% of consumers consider themselves to be more cost-conscious than before the pandemic, and 29% of shoppers are increasing purchases of budget brands. To accommodate this trend, companies need to drive cost efficiencies in their manufacturing and distribution processes to allow for more flexibility in pricing where necessary. Many consumers are willing to pay a 20% premium for personalized products and services. So, helping consumers find the right product for their interactions with smart, connected devices and apps is increasingly important. In today's market, however, the same attention to rapid innovation and responsiveness is now required in order to effectively utilize emerging technology. This helps to ensure and support product availability in the supply channels, minimize production disruption, lower environmental impact, and optimize quality control requirements. Let's learn more about how CPG organizations are utilizing IoT technologies to increase market share, consumer traction, and profitability across their brands and products. Kirsten is going to share more with you about how these organizations are innovating.
CPG companies need to reinvent how they develop, make, move, and market their products. These organizations are innovating in their manufacturing and distribution processes to address market issues. Let's start with manufacturing. If we look closer at production efficiency, CPG companies are accelerating innovation by increasing productivity and optimizing asset utilization to lower costs. Companies are increasing manufacturing yield by minimizing unplanned disruptions by up to 48% and improving OEE by as much as 16%. There are also quality control solutions to help lower costs of goods sold with computer vision platforms. These platforms capture production information dynamically and use predictive services to optimize quality control. In addition, environmental impact solutions are helping organizations by monitoring water, electricity, transportation, and greenhouse gas emissions to lower costs by 18% or more. Now that you have some ideas about manufacturing, let's take a look at distribution. CPG companies must orchestrate millions of moving parts. To ensure product availability, organizations are utilizing IoT to provide dynamic visibility of the supply chain and increasing forecast accuracy for some products. In doing so, companies can develop strategies to reduce late deliveries by as much as 60%. Dynamic inventory solutions help organizations optimize product amounts to both retail channels and distribution centers. In addition, these technologies help with route optimization and retail merchandising tasks. Now you know some things that IoT technology can do for manufacturing and distribution. How do you get started and ensure a successful project? Russell is going to share some recommendations for you.
Thank you, Kirsten. As a chief technologist, I have the experience of developing and deploying solutions in CPG to help our customers successfully take advantage of IoT technologies. The processes and tasks required to implement IoT technologies throughout your organisation are complex and might seem challenging, but there are many CPG companies now deploying these technologies effectively. From dairies and bakery through apparel, beverage and snack, CPG companies are successfully and strategically impacting their business and lowering their variable costs. So how are they doing this? Many are researching IoT and reaching out to expert consultants that have worked on these types of projects. In addition, advanced innovation in CPG-specific IoT platforms and services help organisations optimise their deployment and realise ROI from these implementations. To get started, we recommend utilising 3 key phases. The first phase is engaging in a consulting and design project with your business. The second, you would implement a pilot of the solution. And third, deploy into production and support. With Spark from DXC and AWS, companies can easily buy and configure IoT cloud solutions to meet their needs. This helps them build great brands, increase dynamic response to market opportunities, and drive operational efficiency with proven industry-specific innovations. We'd be glad to help you implement emerging technologies in your company with a staff of expert consultants and product platforms to get you started successfully. Thank you.